What you're looking at right now is a Windows 10 home version, 64-bit, and it does not have Windows Terminal on it. As a matter of fact, if I go down here to the search and type terminal, you see I do not have the terminal app, and I want to install the terminal app in order to run my PowerShell 7 in it. I can run PowerShell 7 in a regular host window, the same window the command line uses. However, for this course we want to use the terminal window because it gives us a little bit more control and settings and the option of tabs and so forth. So let's add terminal, and we're going to do that through the Microsoft Store. So we're going to go down here to the Start button, and we're going to open the Microsoft Store. Now once the Microsoft Store opens up, we're going to type Windows Terminal in the search box. Now click Enter to do the search for that. And here is Windows Terminal. So I'm just going to say Get. By the way, don't use the Windows Terminal preview. So you just want to make sure you get the one that says Windows Terminal. We'll say Get. And there we go. Windows Terminal is now installed. We can close this. I'm not going to open Windows Terminal from here. I could. I don't need to. I'm going to go ahead and click the Start button. You'll see Terminal is now a recently added app. Or, of course, if it's not there, I would go down to the T's and I would find Terminal down there. If I go to the search box, you'll see I now have the Terminal app there. Let's go ahead and run it. And there is the Windows Terminal. You can see that I've got my tabs here. I've got my settings over here. I don't have PowerShell yet, PowerShell 7. We're going to add that later so that it will be in this list. And that's it.